Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I'm going to make a hotkey for the weld. If you look, this text needs to be welded, but there's no weld. Now it is there, it's under shaping and weld. But when we group these four together, we can weld them together. But you have to go, and if you're doing that a lot, you have to go up and down on up to the menu bar. So let's go to Tools, Options, Customization. Go to Commands. My laptop's running a little slow today. You could actually, well, you can't on this one. When you just wait for my laptop to wake up. And we'll type in weld. And there it is right there. Well, my laptop's slow. Anyway, then go to the shortcut keys. And then type in W. Nothing else is assigned to it. Assign it. Then say OK. Now we can grab this and hit the W key and it welds. There's no weld up there, but if I hit the W key, it will weld. So on this type deal, it'll save you a lot of time because you don't have to go down to Object and go to Shaping and Weld. This weld, you can see my hotkey now is W, is when something like a text, you know what, let's give this a test. Let's pick that same font. Got to click off of it. Well, and let's left click, right click. This is a text. It's that script. If you go to Object and Convert to Curves, then select it, your weld still doesn't show up, but we'll hit W and look at that. Going to be a big time saver. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.